Hello students and welcome to this explanation of question 2 of the high-low method. And this question says that ABC company provided you with the following information. And so that's the data that they provided. And they give you the month, they give you the units produced, and they give you the cost. This should of course be in Rand. Alrighty, now they tell you need to calculate the variable cost per unit. They want to know what is the total fixed cost, and also they ask you to calculate the total cost for 210,000 units produced. So again, I have shared the template with you. I literally copy and paste my template because I know it is foolproof. So I am just going to paste it onto a new Excel spreadsheet, and then I'm going to start looking for the necessary information, which is the highest and the lowest. If I look at the months given July through to December, I have a cost driver, I have a total in Rand, and let's see which was the lowest. If I look at this one, it seems to me like 180,000 units at 712,000 Rand was the lowest. If I look at December, it seems to me like December was highest, 262,000 units at 999,000 Rand. I beg your pardon. Right, so we're going to go and calculate the variable cost per unit. And we're going to get to the fixed cost, and then they want to know for 210,000 units produced, what will be the total cost, or this should actually read the total mixed cost, of course. The total mixed cost for 210,000 units. Right, I'm going back and I want to know the information. So it is 180 at 712. So it is 180,000 units. It costs 712,000 Rand. Then for the highest, it is 262,000 at 999. So it's 999. And the units was, let me just double check, 262,000. I need to get the difference, which is high minus low. And I need to get to the 999 minus the 712,000 to get the difference in Rand terms. 287,000. The variable cost per cost driver is then the difference in Rand divided by the difference in the cost driver. And therefore, in this instance, we will say it is 287,000 divided by the cost driver difference, 82,000, and that gives me 3 Rand 50 per unit. To get to the total variable cost, I need to use the highest activity or the highest cost driver. The highest was 262,000, and I take the variable cost per cost driver I just calculated and I multiply the two. That will therefore be 3 Rand 50 times 262,000. If I do that calculation, I get to a total variable cost of 917,000. The total mixed cost is then the highest mixed cost of the two used, and in this instance it was 999,000. And of course the fixed cost is then the difference between the two. So it is the 999,000 minus the 917,000. My fixed cost is then a total of 82,000. I need to formulate, and the formula will be, I will use my variable cost per cost driver and my fixed cost. It will therefore be 3 Rand 50 times the units plus the 82,000 Rand that I calculated as part of my fixed cost. Right, the last part of the question says Suppose that the units produced is 210,000. What will the total mixed cost be? Now they are telling me the units equals 210,000. So I simply need to use my formula and say that the mixed cost will then be 3 Rand 50 times the units to 10,000 that I want to estimate plus 82,000. If I do, 210,000 plus 82,000. If I do that calculation and I add my fixed cost to it on Excel, I get 817,000. So if we want to make 210,000 units next year, we will spend a mixed cost of 817,000. I hope that you are starting to get the hang of this. Please watch the next video for the third question in high-low method and a third explanation on this topic. I will see you then in question 3.